Alright.
Ready?
No. Tally ho!
Tally ho!
They're in the tree.
Trevor, Samuel, and Nick. Go that way. Everybody else go away.
Oh, whoa. Yeah. Get him. Samuel, what are we doing? That one. Come here. Oh, they got you. Be safe.
He's got a human shield.
Give me double pistols. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll do something. I'll take this one.
That's Tyler.
Oh, that's Tyler?
Yeah.
Oh,
Easy. I got you.
let's run, ladies! You might want it there, Jordan.
Where you at? Take a one of his face. You already got it. Whatever.
Hurry up.
Oh shit!
What? I'm a terrorist.
Oh come on! You serious? Trevor's come down.
You're kidding me, right?
Oh shit! I'm out.
What?
Right over there. The end over there.
Let's go, guys. Move up. Guys, don't all go behind the log. Somebody go in the house.
Ty.
Let's go, hard coat.
Hey, come over here and I'll see him. No, up behind him.
Harley. Heads up, heads up.
Back to
Oof. Ah. What'd that do? Absolutely nothing. What? Heads up, heads up. Cody. What the f*** at the new Easy. It's okay, take it.
Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Let that guy down. Oh, shit. Alright. We're gonna scare if they come over. Yeah, well, they won't shoot at us.
Hold on a sec. Okay. Coming over to film you.
Guys, put them in there. What?
You b****! Yes, you b****!
Oh, you make.
Ow.
U.S. Police! Please! Shut that out. Grab it. Hit them.
Go, heads up, go. Go, Coat. Oh. I'm you guys.
I have no ammo.
Cody was sitting there getting lit up and you guys ran away. Heads up, I'm coming around. Guys, heads up, they're playing. Guys, hurry up, come on, hurry up. Keep going.
Go.
What the f?